This Civic has a defensive mechanism. If someone is getting too close to you, this is what you do to him. It reaches up to here, dude. Even my dogs approve. I've noticed these two lights which light up here, there is nothing. So what I've done is I took the car apart. So hot outside, let's change the shirt. Better. Took these pieces from here and the one from the light. You can see the mechanism. I ordered already a part which will take out this, the water pump. This is the hose for the water where it splashes. So I will just do the clean look, no wiper clean look. And if you reach up here, there's the cables right there. One right here, one right here. You take out this first, and then this one comes out as well from the other side. This is the parts. I bought brand new lights here, even though they are the yellow ones, which we will change later. I ordered some from Amazon. They're arriving soon. We still need to clean this. We need to make them clear. So let's do it. This is the traditional way of cleaning. Not the polished look I was expecting, but it's better when they're better than they were. Let's go and install them. So let's plug them in. This one as well. Let's turn on the lights. And they're both working. So let's put them back into their slots. Take the plastic bit. And now it's going to be the fiddly work. There is a way to do it. So this side goes first, slides in, then collapse into place. Now I take the live bolt. This is in as well. See? Now, time to put the plastic back. And as well, got the new plastic bolts. Instead of using the old ones, we have this one, which are perfect, brand new ones. So I took out the spoiler as well because it was doing some rattly sounds. But I noticed there's two holes on each side which were not bolted. So I'm gonna put it back in and then fix these two holes with the bolts which I have here. Rule number 49. Don't ever use plastic screws for the spoiler. 5-minute job turn into 1-hour job. Now I need to drill up because they broke inside. And now the bolts are too big. Finally. After so many bolts, and after 1 hour, this thing is finally on. And now let's take it for a drive. So here we are driving. Unfortunately, this won't be a long drive because one of the shock absorber mounts are broken and we need to replace them. So we're heading to the shop to pick up the parts, go change some clothes because it's too hot outside. I will see you at my friend's house. He has a garage, I don't. So see you there. Got the two shock absorbers, which are the new part for the car. They do a little bit rattling sounds. side complete. Another one left to go. And that's it for this video, guys. There still needs more work to be done on the car. Thank you for sticking up until the end. Please like and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace.